So hello everyone, my name is Joshua Yak, and what I want to show you is a new tool. This is Edpuzzle, and it's an online tool, so the only thing that we got to do is go to edpuzzle.com. If we go to a browser and just write that, it's going to take us to this page, the welcome page. This is the way to engage your students with videos. Pick a video, add your magical touch, and track your students' understanding. Let's go ahead and take a look on how we do one of the videos so you'll understand better. And the first advantage that we're going to talk about is that this is free. If you're a teacher, you should click on teacher, start now. If you're a student, you just gotta do I'm a student. If you have an account already, you can just get into login. Teacher, start now. It's gonna give you a briefly welcome page and a brief tour on how to use the page, on how to use the tool. We can just click on the image, or we can go and start tour. And the first task that we have is, let's start by trimming this video. Move the red bars. So you can either play it if you want to play it, or if you don't want to play it, just move the bar into the dotted line. Gonna go green, done, continue. Insert a question. The board itself, a quick board, just let's do, what does the man mean? Simple question. Action completed. Create my first lesson. This page is gonna tell you on how Edpuzzle is gonna be grading any assignment that you provide. If it was done on time, if it was graded on with 100, if it was done a little bit late but completed, if it was never turned in. And well, let's go ahead and do the first lesson. Here you have two options, well, three actually. You can go with Edmodo, you can go with Google, or you can go with any other email address. I prefer to use Google on my Gmail account. And if this is your first time using Edpuzzle, it's going to ask you for some permissions. You should be fine by clicking them. And well, this is how the page looks like. The first thing I've got to do is search. I'm gonna show you something very good over here, and this is another advantage that we have, is that we have different channels that we can get the videos from. We have Edpuzzle, we have YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, etc, etc, etc. And well, as you can see, we have plenty of videos over here that you can just get off, and you can either get it from by searching the word, or you can get it by a link. I'm gonna use YouTube at this moment, and I'm gonna search for a word. Let's go ahead and do healthy food, for example. If you do healthy food, it's gonna bring you all different videos that you could use, from 15 minutes to 3 minutes to less minutes, right? Top 10 healthiest food. Let's go ahead, and if you want to copy this video, or if you want to use it, just click use it. You can just, from the same page, load the video. And well, this is going to be pretty helpful for you to say or to tell if this is going to be helpful or not. So let's go ahead and do use it. This is the first part, crop. This is as simple as just cutting off the video. I'm going to start with this. For example, I want to get that little part there, just 2 seconds, maybe a little bit more. Start here with avocado, and then I want to cut all over here. It talks about different foods meanwhile it goes and advances. However, let's say that I just want to talk about avocados. And then we see that the avocado video ends over here in kale. We select this place and we do crop. That's all. We can move to audio track. Audio track, we can just hit here, recording, and then we can start talking. We gotta have the microphone available so it can record. And this is a disadvantage. If you want to record, it says why record an audio track? Because if you explain it with your own words, it may be better for your students to use it. Or maybe you don't want to do it in English, you want to do it in Spanish, but this video is in English. You could just add your own voice and use it. However, you have to record the whole video. There's no option to only record a part. So at this moment I don't want to record anything. I just want to use the same video. And then we go to audio notes. This is very cool. If you don't know how to do something, you can go to show me how. It's gonna get you to a link and explain you how this goes. It's a very simple video, 49 seconds. Allow microphone and hold the button, and that's it. I'm gonna do it. So at this point we're gonna talk about an avocado video. For example, an introduction to your video. You do this and you can go to other places to record another audio note. As simple as that. If you want to do quizzes, then it automatically would upload your voice. And well, it takes a few seconds to do it. And if you want to add any quiz, you can do it at your notes. You can get here at the end, click here. You have multiple choice. What is the fruit we are talking about? Avocado, apple. We can add more answers, and this is another advantage. We can do save, and we can do that at more points of the video. Continue. You want to add another note, another question, gotta do the same thing. Just click on it and it'll go. At this moment we're just gonna click finish. Gonna go add class, first try. Prevent skipping. We can create a due date. This is due till Sunday. Send, and it'll create your video. Thanks for watching. You can just review what you just did, and if you liked it, just hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can just comment below.